In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook signature fast 2025 guide. Let's jump right in by opening Outlook. Once you're in, head to Settings. On a Mac, click Outlook in the top left of your screen and choose Settings. On Windows, look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of Outlook and click it to open the settings pane. From there, select Mail. In the Mail section, choose Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook stores and manages all of your email signatures. On this page, you'll see a list of your existing signatures. Click the one you want to change and it will open in the built-in editor. This editor is flexible and lets you adjust the content and style without leaving Outlook. Now make your updates. Start with the text. Keep it clear and concise, and make sure key details like your role and company are accurate. For fonts and colors, aim for readability and brand consistency. Simple, web-safe fonts and high-contrast colors work best across devices and dark mode. If you use bold or color accents, apply them sparingly so your signature looks professional, not distracting. If you include an image or logo, insert a clean, properly sized file so emails load quickly. Large images can trigger spam filters or look blurry on mobile. Give images a little breathing room with spacing so the layout doesn't feel cramped. For social media icons, use small, recognizable icons and link each one directly to the correct profile. Hyperlinks should be clear and up to date. You can make the text descriptive, like visit our website, instead of pasting long URLs. As you adjust spacing, use blank lines and the formatting tools in the editor to create a balanced layout that scales well on phones and desktops. The best part is that Outlook saves your changes automatically. There's no save button to hunt for. Every edit you make is stored as you go. That means the next time you insert the signature, your updated version will appear immediately. A couple of quick best practices while you're here. Keep your signature lightweight and accessible. Avoid too many images and ensure any links and brand elements reflect your current standards. If you collaborate with a team, consider sharing your final text and logo specs so everyone stays consistent. And that's all you need to update an Outlook signature quickly. Open Outlook, go to Settings, choose Mail, select Compose and Reply, pick your signature, make your edits, and let Outlook handle the saving automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy your polished professional signature.